Controlling sediment is an important factor in protecting our water quality. When installed on construction site, Tenax Silt Fence traps sediment. It prevents it from entering the streams, rivers, and lakes. Tenax Silt Fence is a black woven contractor-grade fabric with wooden stakes attached to the fabric every 10 feet. Tenax Silt Fence is offered in 2x100 and 3x100 size rolls. The fence is intended for temporary use during a construction project. Sediment or loose soil is created when construction occurs on a home or commercial site. The soil being distributed by the construction process must be contained to that site. This is where silt fence comes in. EPA regulations require the use of silt fence to prevent stormwater runoff of sediment on all construction sites of 1 acre or more. Tenax Silt Fence is easy to install, requiring only a few tools. Dig a trench about 6 to 8 inches deep, unroll the fence, and set in the trench with stakes facing the outside of the project site. Keep fence tight and set stakes to the center rear of the trench. Drive wooden stakes into the ground using a mallet. Create a J-flap with the fabric and backfill using a shovel securing the fabric into the ground. Work the front of the fence first to secure the flap, then backfill the backside of the fence.